made a quick stop at Walmart. We're going to the beach today. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to the beach. It's supposed to be a little hurricane, a tropical storm out there, you know, approaching where we live at. And we want to go to the beach.
And
so
now we need to get me a baby suit.
So we stopped to get Lonnie a bathing suit so we can get in the water. But as y'all can see, that rain look like it's coming, boy. We're gonna stop now. We finna still get to the beach, man. Enjoy a little bit. You know, if we get too crazy, of course, we're gonna stop. But as of right now, we still finna get to that beach, though. You feel me? So, making a quick stop to Walmart. Make sure y'all stay tuned in. Peace. Good in here, huh? Skeleton.
Or you like it in this color more? I like
And the orange one?
this one, y'all.
Alright, ready? Kai. Jerry, man.
I ain't no Jerry.
We got what we had to get. Now it's time to get to the beach. And get in this water. I'm actually getting in the water this time.
I'm not getting in the water. Yeah, that's crazy.
Huh? Normally I don't get in the water. But this time I'm gonna get in the water, man. It's hot. And I just know the water finna feel good. We're gonna lock back in with y'all once we get to the beach. Peace. Made it out here to the beach, man. They done left me up here to get everything set up by myself. But man, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It's a beautiful day at the beach now. Ain't really no clouds out here. And I'm about to hop in this water. Bring y'all, we're gonna hop in this water. Get some of this good water, man. And we're gonna enjoy ourselves, man, and have some fun. Welcome to the beach, man. Day at the beach with your boy, too. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe. Let's have a good day today. Peace. What?
The waves kind of get in a little bit.
Yeah. Was the water cold? It didn't feel good. They say what it was cold, so we about to see.
What?
We gonna see. We about to get in this water. We about to have some fun. Yeah. If you know me by now, man, you already know how much I love the beach, man. How much I love this water.
Yeah. I like the beach so much. I want to live at a hotel on the beach.
Let's see if you know how to ride that thing, boy.
She said. Yeah. Come with me, Daddy. I'm scared. Put this in your pocket.
Hey, Kai always like to be out there. Kai love to be out there in that deep end.
Daddy!
What?
Pick me up.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow. Lonnie, you standing up.
Why are you not picking me up? I'm scared.
That's so funny. You scared of?
I'm scared. I was going to go in the water. See, that way going to make me go in the water. Daddy, go up there a little bit.
Stand up, Lonnie, so you can go. fighting for his life, man. The umbrella fighting for his life right now. Yes, sir. Go. Ooh, yes, sir. Yeah. Hey. Be careful now. Feel like. One. Cut. Tell him bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to Good TV. Make sure y'all stay locked in.
Yes, sir.